is all you'll need for some sweet and peppery celery soup. A couple of bunches of celery, an onion, some beef stock or veggie stock if you're going veggie, garlic, green bell pepper adds a bit of sweetness and colour of course, and for even more sweetness we're going in with some honey, and last but not least some freshly cracked black pepper. First thing we're going to do, get all your veg washed and prepared and then chop it up. Doesn't matter what size you chop it really, because it's all going to be blended later, so any size or shape doesn't matter. With your veg all washed, chopped and prepared, it's time to heat a good glug of oil up into a pan, and then it's in with your veg. It looks a lot, and it is, but as it heats through it'll stew down. So into there, on with the lid, and give that 5 or 10 minutes, as I said, just to heat through and soften up. When your veg have had a good few minutes, so you've been frying and steaming away, it's time to go in with a good pinch of salt. And then your freshly cracked black pepper, plenty of that. And then into there with your garlic that you've sliced, chopped or mashed up like I have. Get that in, and then just give your garlic a couple of minutes to heat through. When your garlic's had a couple of minutes, off with the lid, and then it's in with a litre of your stock. And last but not least, a heaped teaspoon of your honey. Get that melted in there, and then we're going to simmer this for at least 30 minutes with the lid on. The longer you simmer it, the less likely you'll have any, see them stringy bits you sometimes get off celery? Well, the longer you simmer it, the less chance you'll have of getting them stuck when you're eating your soup. So on with the lid and at least 30 minutes simmering. When it's been simmering away for 30 minutes or more, it's time to turn it off the heat, let it cool down a little, because now you're going to put it into a blender and get it blitzed and blended into soup. Once the blender has done its work, it's time to dish it up into a bowl, butter yourself some nice crusty bread and get stuck in.